Waxel and Jemay, dapat nakasentro si Kristo sa buhay ninyo bilang mag-asawa. Christ, communicate, be humble, have respect, intimate, simple, and trust. And that is Christ within in your relationship bilang mag-aasawa.
I promise to choose you every day. I promise to love you when we're together and to love you when we're apart. And as we start our journey together as husband and wife, may God grant us a child and help us build a family full of love, laughter, and endless memories. Roxel Mark Sumawang, you are the best decision that I had in my life, and I hope that you'll continue to prove that my decision was right. I love you so much.
Me too. Salamat sa pagmamahal mo, sa pagtanggap mo, at sa pagpayag mong makasama ako habang buhay. Simula ngayong araw na ito, ikaw ang aking tahanan, ang aking buhay, at ang aking bukas. At magpakailanman. Ikaw ang lagi kong pipiliin, mahal na mahal kita.
My sweet love, you got a hold on me. Oxygen, just like the air I breathe. You're the one who makes me wanna sing simple melodies.
Carlo, Joy, Christian, Martin, Mark, Clarence, Steph.
I watch the sunset and lie with you beneath the stars, dancing in the moonlight.
Nika.
And fall asleep to chasing cars. Yeah, I know I can't control the way I'm feeling. Can you feel it? My sweet love.
Siya pa yung unang nag-chat. Sabi niya, hi. Tapos sabi ko, hello po kuya. Hanggang sa naging tuloy-tuloy na po yung conversation namin. Halos everyday na po kami nag-uusap. Then, until nag-ask po siya sa akin kung pwede siya manligaw. Tapos, hindi ko po siya pinayagan kasi I was considering some factors po as to why hindi ko pa siya pwedeng i-entertain.
Yun, kinulit ko siya na gusto ko siya ligawan. Then yung una parang sabi niya sa akin, nag-heal pa daw siya. Then ito naman siya ako, sabi ko willing to wait na then yun, nililigawan ko na siya that time. Then yun, nakulitan siguro sa akin.
Actually, yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa kanya is kaya niyang i-manage yung time niya between sa business, sa akin, sa family niya. Kaya sabi ko, he's the one na talaga. Sobrang bait niya rin po.
Pag na-meet mo yung isang girl, parang mararamdaman mo na parang siya na.
Nagkasakit po ako and na-confine ako sa hospital. Bago pa lang po kami nun. And na-realize ko na siya na talaga kasi kaya niyang iwan yung business niya para sa akin. And yun yung sabi ko na siya na talaga.
Support din ako sa kanya kasi nga siyempre nag-aalala din ako sa kanya. Tumawag siya. Ganito na nga, may parang ang dami niya ng sakit, nararamdaman, ang dami ng result sa sakit niya. Hindi na ako nagdalawang isip, bumalik agad ako dito. From Nara to
melodies.
Aldrin, thank you. Joey, JR.
I watch the sunset and lie with you beneath the stars, dancing in the moonlight and fall asleep.
Yun yung pinaka masayang moment sa buhay ko kasi prinangka ko ng family ko na hindi sila makapunta and yet nandun pala sila kasama si Roxel. Tapos may nakasulat dun na, will you marry me? Tapos hindi ko po maintindihan yung feeling pero sobrang saya ko po.
Nag-decide ako sa kanya, nag-propose nung December 24, mid ng Christmas. Nagulat siya dun.
Who makes me wanna sing simple melodies?
Ito bagay partnero. Cheers!
You fill my heart, you You say it's fine, don't be afraid. No need to worry about tomorrow or today, but I know I can't control the way I'm feeling. Can you feel it? My sweet love, you got a hold on me. Oxygen, just like the air I breathe.
Hello, mahal ko. Alam kong di ka na-stress sa gift ko kasi nakita mo na ito. Luko pala po na! Accidentally. Di ko nga alam kung bakit nag-effort pa ako ilagay siya sa box. Pasensya ka na at hindi umipek yung paparinig mo about sa journal. Di bale, sabay lang nating tuparin ang mga pangarap. Mustang at Nissan Patrol. Nandito lang ako palagi nakasupo na suportahan ka sa mga pangarap mo at sa mga at sa pangarap mo magiging pamilya natin. Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal, thank you sa gift mo. Alam kong magagamit natin to sa pag-travel natin kung saan. Sabay natin tong gagamitin dalawa. Thank you.
And lie with you beneath the stars, dance in the moonlight, and fall asleep to chasing cars. Yeah, I know I can't control the way I'm feeling. Can you feel it? My sweet love, you got a hold on me. Oxygen, just like the air I breathe. Who makes me wanna sing simple melodies? You feel my heartbeat. You say it's fine, don't be afraid. No need to.
Mahal, ang bawat tibok ng puso ko, ikaw ang dahilan. Ang kwento ng ating pag-ibig ay walang katapusan. Tulad ng alas na ito, na may simbolo ng walang hanggan. Ipinapaalala nito na kahit anong pagsubok na dumating, ako ay mananatiling sa'yo, buo, tapat at walang kapalit. Salamat sa pagiging ikaw ng buhay ko, sa pagiging katuwang ko, at sa pagpili mo sa akin sa araw-araw. Mahal na mahal kita, lubos na nagmamahal, Roxel. Ay, wow! Thank you, mahal ko. See you later po. Bye.
Simple melodies.
Hello, mahal. Unang-una nagpapasalamat ako na nakilala kita. And nagpapasalamat din ako na tinupad mo yung isa sa mga greatest na pangarap ko sa buhay, yung ikasal sa simbahan. And ang masasabi ko lang is continue to love me the way that you are loving me now. Hanggang sa mamatay tayo, charot. See you later. Bye-bye. Love you.
Just like the air I breathe. Who makes me wanna sing simple melodies?
Mahal, so ito na. Ito na yung inaantay natin. Yung dream mo, tinupad ko na. So, konting ano na lang, ilang oras na lang, magiging Mrs. Sumawang ka na. So, see you. I love you. Bye-bye.
From the moment that I saw you, like a sunrise breaking through, every shadow disappeared and my heart just ran to you. You were laughter in the silence, you were calm within the storm. In your eyes found the reason I was made to be reborn. And I'm forever in love with you, in every breath, in all I do, through every tear and every smile. I'd walk with you 1,000 miles, even when the stars fade from view. I'll still be forever in love with you. We've had nights of falling slowly, we've had days that felt brand new. Through the highs and through the hurting, there was never love more true. You're the whisper in my dreaming, you're the warmth inside my soul. Even time can't change the feeling, you're the part that makes me whole. 'Cause I'm forever in love with you. You're every wish that has come true. Through every fire we made it through, there's nothing I would trade for you. Even when the world feels untrue, I'll still be forever in love with you. Let the seasons come and go, let the winds and rivers flow. As long as I have you to hold, I'll never be alone. 'Cause I'm forever in love with you. You're every wish that has come true. Through every fire we made it through, there's nothing I would trade for you. Even when the world feels untrue, I'll still be forever in love with you. Let the seasons come and go, let the winds and rivers flow. As long as I have you to hold, I'll never be alone.
Kaya ang kasal ay nagaganap dahil ho sa pag-ibig ng Diyos. Kayo ngayon na nakaharap sa harapan ng Diyos ay dahil sa pag-ibig na ipinagbubuklod niya sa inyo. Ang gusto ng Diyos ay ang inyong katapatan magpakailanman. Yan ang dapat ibalik sa Diyos, ang inyong katapatan sa isa't isa. Maaaring pagdating ng ilang araw, maaaring hindi kayo magkakaintindihan. Pero sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, huwag niyong kalimutan na ang Kristo na ibinigay ko sa inyo ay manatili sa inyong mga puso, no? Nang sa ganon, si Kristo sa buhay ninyo ang siyang magagabay tungo sa maayos na buhay, tungo sa isang maayos na pagsasama mag-asawa. Waxel and Jemay, in the future, magkakaanak kayo. Alagaan niyo ng mabuti ang inyong mga anak. At lalo't higit ang inyong mga sarili. Alagaan ninyo. Waxel, alagaan mo si Jemay. Jemay, alagaan mo si Waxel. Kasi ang pagkakataong ito ay isang dakilang biyaya ng Diyos na ipinagtagpo, ipinagdudugtong ang inyong mga puso ni Kristo. Jemay, bukal ba sa iyong loob na pagparito mo upang makaisang dibdib si Waxel na iyong pakakamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
Waxel, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang pagparito mo upang makaisang dibdib si Jemay na iyong pakakamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
There's nothing colder than your shoulder when you're dragging me along like you do, like you do. And then you switch up with no warning, and you kiss me like you want it. How rude, how rude. But I kinda like it anyways. I don't mind if this is gonna take a million days. I know you'll come around to me eventually. If you sit back, relax, enjoy my company, my company. Once you know what my love's gonna feel like, nothing else will feel right. You can feel like moonbeam ice cream, taking off your blue jeans, dancing at the movies. Cause it feels so mystical, magical, oh baby. Cause once you know my love is so mystical, magical, oh baby. Cause once you know my little heart to get, baby, I wanna give you the world. Not saying you gotta chase me, but I wouldn't mind it if you give me just a little bit of something we can work it with. But all you do is push me out. But I like it anyways, cause I think I'm getting closer to you every day. I know you'll come around to me eventually. Just sit back, relax, enjoy my company. Oh baby, trust me. Once you know what my love's gonna feel like, nothing else will feel right. You can feel like moonbeam ice cream, taking off your blue jeans, dancing at the movies. Cause it feels so mystical, magical, oh baby. Cause once you know my love is so mystical, magical, oh baby. Cause once you know mystical, magical, oh baby. It's mystical, magical.
Georgia, write me up and all I want you in my arms, let me hold ya. I'll never let you go again like I did or used to say. I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you. Georgia pulled me in, I asked to love her. Once again you fell, I caught ya. I'll never let you go again like I did or used to say. I would never fall.
So, ang ano lang namin, sana alagaan nyo yung isa't isa. So, and then, yung inyong relation ay dapat nasa center natin si God. So, everything will be okay. So, kapag si God yung nasa center natin. So, yun lang. And then, palagi nating focus sa family. And then, palagi tayong magpasalamat sa itaas, siyempre.
Good luck kay ate. Binibigay na namin siya sa'yo. And all the attitude na meron siya. Continue to be patient with each other. And mahal na mahal namin kayo. If you ever need a shoulder to cry on, andito pa rin kami, your family and friends, here to support you. Congratulations.
In the darkness, but then I found her. I found you.
Be kind and compassionate to one another, forgiving each other just as in Christ God forgave you. So the three things in this verse are: be kind. You are a team. You don't have to win every argument. You are on the same team, on the same side. So remember that. Second, be compassionate. Now that the two of you have become one, it is not just about yourself. It's about being together and caring for and serving others as well. So be compassionate to those around you. And third, be forgiving, because you may be the one wanting forgiveness one day. So may this verse remind you that genuine love really does involve kindness and compassion and forgiveness.
Congrats po kay James at congrats po sa family and relatives sa napakagandang preparasyon ng wedding po na ito. Congrats again, pagpalain kayo, laging tiwala at sa ating Panginoong Diyos, yun po ang ating lakas. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat po sa Diyos sa mabuting pagkakataon na pinagkaloob niya po itong mangyari na matuloy yung kasal ni Jem at ni Roxy. Dahil kahapon po ang lakas ng ulan, na-stress na po si Jem, may umiiyak na. Sabi ko, sige lang, diretso lang. Ako. Wala pa akong na-prepare na speech. Bali, ano na lang po. Daanin ko na lang po sa kanta. If I could catch the stars for you, I swear I'd still dim all tonight to make your every wish come true, your every dream for all your life. But that's not how the story goes. The world is full of perfect plans. If there's a promise that I broke, I know one day you'll understand. When times are hard, I know you'll be strong. I'll be there in your heart and your carry on. Like moonlight on the water and sunlight in the skies, Papa and Jimmy never say goodbye. When times are hard, I know you'll be strong. I'll be there in your heart and you'll carry on. Like moonlight on the water and sunlight in the skies, Papa and Jimmy never say goodbye. Fathers and daughters never say goodbye. Salamat po sa Diyos.
Palagi niyong tatandaan, hindi kailangang tama. Mas mahalaga ang laging may pangunawa. At sa uli bilang ama, dasal ko ay simple lang. Maging masaya kayo hindi lang ngayon, kundi habang panahon. Maraming salamat po muli.
Isa lang masasabi ko, salamat sa inyong dalawa, sa pagbigay kay Jem, para kay Raxel, kung wala sa inyo, wala si Jem, na forever ni Raxel. To Raxel and Jeme, mabuhay ang bagong kasal.
Let's drive till the moon makes way for the sun tonight. Celebrate being young. Let's fly. Friends in the back seat of the car. We ride underneath the burning stars. I'm gonna run wild and see every star in the sky. Remember times like these for the rest of my life. I won't let this get away. No, I won't let this get away.
First of all, we would like to thank our parents for their endless support, who have given us so much love and guidance. I would like to thank my papa, Mr. Guillermo Lanusga, who also traveled back to the Philippines from Europe, particularly in Denmark. I'm also very grateful to my mom, Miss Maria Cristina Antonio. Even though she wasn't able to attend my wedding, she still served as my greatest support. And I wish she was also here to witness the marriage of her second-born daughter.
I would like to thank to my mom, Marisa Sumawang, for traveling all the way from Hong Kong to witness our wedding. Of course, to my father, Mr. Randy Sumawang, and who present here today.
And of course, how can we forget? We would like to honor the presence of our principal sponsors. So you all look stunning tonight. Talagang we chose the right people who serve as our godparents. Thank you for celebrating with us, not just as ninangs and ninos, but as pillars of love and support. No rainy weather or no bagyong krising could stop you all from attending. We can't thank you enough for the efforts to travel here. Though some ninongs and ninangs already messaged me ahead of time that they will not be able to attend my wedding because of some circumstances, I still would like to acknowledge them for agreeing to be our godparents. Gusto po namin kayo isa-isahin, pero we'll make this Thanksgiving message brief.
Also, to our secondary sponsors, our bridesmaids and our groomsmen, flower girls and bearers, thank you for being part of our special day and for making effort to reach out and help us the presentation of our big day. To Jem and I, friends, schoolmates, and acquaintances, for our present was a gift we will forever cherish. To our suppliers and vendors, you are fairy tale maker. Thank you for giving us being that we could dream of. You're turning our dreams wedding to a reality.
To everyone who are here tonight, we are especially grateful for the distances that many have traveled to be here with us today. We planned and really made sure na hindi lang po kami ni Raxel yung masaya sa marriage namin. We want to share our joy with all of you. Again, thank you very much for coming.